Bapesclan NFT is the latest money bag alert. You guys do not want to miss out on these tweets, how you guys can get the opportunity to get a whitelist spot, as well as talking about their celebrity contact Cameron Jordan from the New Orleans Saints. And of course, so you guys stay tuned to the end of the video. We'll check out some of this art that's going for 9 ETH. You guys do not want to miss out. But first, welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bring you financial awareness to crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, go ahead and smash that like button. Make sure you're subscribed and make sure that bell notification is lit up. This is not going to be this is the first, but definitely not the last Bapesclan video that we'll be seeing on the channel. So let's go ahead and like and retweet everything going on. I like this. This was smart right here. Yo, Snoop Dogg, we would love to have you in the Bapesclan with my boy, Cameron Jordan. We're going to check that out in a second. New Orleans Saints Cameron Jordan is repping Bapesclan. So that's huge right there. Celebrity contact. During the market crash, we put $400K in our holder's pocket with real utility. That is huge right there. Let's scroll up a little. This was epic too. At this point, we're just having fun with it. Gen 2 drops on the 27th. So we do not want to miss out. They're just having fun with it. Like, let's let them continue to have fun. If this is just having fun and this is what it's going to look like, this is epic right here. If you guys ask me, just having fun. Here we go right here. This says that we have, you know, your ish is hot, or you know, your ish is good when your people are trading your whitelist spots on OpenSea for 0.2 ETH. All right. So we know that something's definitely going on. Let's go ahead and like and retweet this. This is definitely blowing up very, very quickly. If you guys can go ahead and leave some bullish comments, if you're part of the Bapesclan community down below, that will help the YouTube algorithm pump these videos out and get them in front of new potential investors. Like I said, we got Cameron Jordan from the New Orleans Saints right here rocking a Bapesclan Gen 2 Apes. Looks like it's ready to party to Drake's new album. That's huge right there. Just as many tweets, I'm going to call on the Bapesclan. Just as many tweets and likes that we got over here. I want you guys to come over here to this Cameron Jordan tweet and like and retweet this. We need to push this really hard. This is the team and our marketing going really hard, and we need to emphasize and push on this. We need to, this is something huge right here that we need to get this into the thousands, just like the rest of the Bapesclan pulling up to those other tweets, and get this into the thousands so people know that we have celebrity contacts that are watching this project. So they are also, you know, connected to this Chain Deck Labs. And I just want to take a quick peek at this because it's something that we can look forward to. This is amazing to know that this is what we're working with over here at Bapesclan. We can see right at the top, it is stated that it's powered by the Chain Tech Lab. So it's only right that, you know, we go check them out and see what's going on. So make sure you guys give them a follow. Make sure the bell notifications lit up. As we can tell, this is a very professional company. And as far as it looks, this one as well, let's like and retweet this, put this over the 1,000 Bapesclan. I'm calling you guys to light up the comments and let's push these tweets really, really hard. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this art that is moving, you know, was at 9 ETH. Of course, the markets are pulling back, so we see them at 8.5. But these whitelist spots are really going to make some things happen. Right off the top, we can tell that this art is exactly what you want to see when it's coming to, you know, this 3D rendering and the way it's supposed to look. This is exactly what you want. Also, you want a very strong community. This one, of course, is going to be iconic. It's going to be nostalgic. People are going to be able to recognize the Joker one, seeing how I navigated to it right away. The price is 121 ETH. So these Bapes are something to really, really pay attention to. So I want you guys to, like I said, make sure that bell notification is lit up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like that, you guys can continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.